Making videos right now.
Wonderful.
You big lightning. It's like
If this was snow, this would be 3 feet of snow, 4 feet of snow easy.
this is crazy lightning.
What's this guy doing?
First, I don't know. Well, people act like they don't know how to drive and
I thought I saw lightning
He was
in front of my
turning and then he
window.
decided to go straight. Well, this guy's riding a bike.
Oh, this is the craziest lightning probably ever saw in a long time. Big storm. It's like a hurricane rain, but we're in Minnesota. Oh, that was a big one. Ah, video. Big lightnings.
Oh, that's a pretty good video.
Another one. I would rather take videos than pictures.
Oh, what I'd rather do is take a video than picture.
Holy, that was a big one. We haven't had an F5 in so long. This is a big thunderstorm.
The biggest of the year.
Doesn't look like the biggest of the year.
Yeah, this is going to be by far the biggest storm of the year. Rain-wise.
I thought the severe thunderstorm that we had at our house was the biggest one.
No, this is going to be worse. This is going to last 2 days straight.
Oh, yeah. Ah, the lightning. So crazy. Oh, that was a big flash.
I got your whole freaking leg.
Another one. Oh, that is just one in a row.
I
Lightning
don't have
going
any
crazy.
beer.
Like hurricane rain, but we're in Minnesota, so no high winds. So big. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm holding my grandpa's phone.
Okay, if this road's good all the way, this is the way we're taking back. Do I have any cigarettes right now?
Yeah, peace out. The storm is totally crazy. Big one, but we just missed it. Another big one. Okay, that one's crazy.
I don't know.
Whoa!
If I have any beer.
That was big.
Maybe if I get a... Do we have any ice? What?
no.
Do we have any shampoo, conditioner? Do we have any laundry soap?
Yeah.
Oh, this looks funny.
Oh, yeah.
Those are
693.
That was always flooded spot. So I'm cool there.
I think it might be worse, but
crazy.
I kind of want to go to the liquor store. I'm thirsty. I want a beer.
And then go to like a store.
Should get off at 6:30 for East to go on the
They might close all that stuff early.
I might. You could still.
Oh, yeah, I can go to the Silver Lake.
You could still go there and run in fast. But it's a big storm. The biggest storm of the year.
Nick me from my head to my toes.
I'm always scared of big, severe thunderstorms. It's kind of like that.
Flooded right here.
Flooded.
You don't want to take that back.
Uh-oh. This guy is stuck? Or what's he doing?
He's waiting to turn.
What an idiot.
He's gonna get hit.
Couldn't get the lane, fucking turn lane. Uh-oh. Some more flood. Well, I don't know if I want to go all the way down Central. Jesus.
You can cross right there and then go.
Oh, see, they got that whole street blocked.
That must be that horrible, huh? Or you could take the old 10 back, go up by Northtown.
I'm not going wrong. The opposite direction of home.
Well, that's towards home, so if I like to take that way.
Everybody get the fuck out of my way. Hopefully that way is...
My mom going to work today or not?
Well, where do you think I'm going right now?
Work?
Oh, that's all flooded.
Wow. They got some bad sewers over here.
Yes.
Well, I can't. Wow, look at it. You can go swimming in there. Holy shit.
Let's break through the police barricade, Jeff.
How are people going to get out of the store?
Hey.
They're going to...
Holy, that. I never saw that. That
You
one.
have to go that way. You can go that way.
You see,
around.
I never saw big floods like this.
Oh, is there a car down inside that ditch?
Yeah.
There is. Right down there. Is that a car inside of it? No, that's
Yeah.
off the side of the road.
That's on the side of the road.
The biggest flood I ever
Oh, that van's underwater. That
Oh,
car's
yeah.
underwater. They're all underwater right now.
They're underwater.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Vehicles over
They're
there,
underwater.
halfway underwater.
Their window's almost up there. That person's got their car door open. Why don't they get the fuck out of their car before they fucking drown in this shit?
Oh, let's swear a little bit more in front of
Oh,
Jeffrey.
sorry.
This is the biggest flood I ever saw ever.
Wow. That van's almost in there too. Well, that person just got out of their car. I was gonna say, why were they just sitting there? They're about to get flooded. Damn.
Lick me from my head to my toes.
I can't imagine what my work looks like. Maybe I'll be alright.
Hey, can I turn yet? Jesus Christ, freaking ever.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll walk. I don't know if I want you to go down the road. Maybe I'll just get off and watch.
I'll find out when I turn down.
This is the craziest storm. Actually, the biggest flood storm I
I
ever.
wouldn't be stupid enough to go all the way in like they did.
Oh wow! Look at how bad that is. That's like in the freaking water. I can't believe it's that big.
I never saw a big as this flood before.
Well, this is, like I said, the biggest storm.
Oh my god.
This street might be flooded, so I don't know.
I'm still recording the video. It's at 9 minutes and 19 seconds. The cops are gone now.
There's 2 cars.
No, then we're on a different road, Jeffrey.
Oh.
2 cars in the middle of the street right there.
We're cars in the middle of what street?
See, they just turned their lights on. Their lights are both off. That car just turned. There's a car next to them.
Oh, I think they're underwater.
They're probably telling you to turn the fuck around. Yeah, turn around. I'm gonna get out right here. Back up. Just back up, Dad. I'm gonna get out right here. They're shining, flashing the lights at you. Do you have $5?
Oh, yeah.
I love you. Oh yeah, you don't want that. Look at that. Look at how bad that is, Jeffrey.
So just cut across that way.
I'm gonna.
Oh, that's underwater. The parking.
I told you this parking lot's gonna be flooded.
Okay.
That person-
Okay, see you later.
Oh wow. Biggest flood storm I ever saw in my life. It seriously is actually.
It's very bad. Holy cow, look at them cars are underwater. How we didn't go in there?
Okay, yeah.
This is bad, dude.
There haven't been a big flood in Minnesota for so long. But I never saw a big flood in Minnesota, so that's kind of awkward. Holy.
All the roads around here are horrible.
Yep. Phone's at 60%. That parking lot is not flooded.
Because they're all on the higher ground up here.
I can see gray stuff when the lightning pops up. Are we on the low ground?
We're okay right now. See, the low ground's what's getting flooded. We're on the higher ground right now. And the rain's starting to get bad again. Look at that light.
I'm still recording. The video's 12 minutes, 46 seconds.
Maybe you want to give it a break.
Okay.